Hi, I'm Chelsea Cassidy, Senior Marketing Associate at Advantech. The adoption of Edge AI continues to grow in every industry, especially manufacturing, transportation, and smart cities. We at Advantech are empowering our partners with innovative platforms. Platforms like the MIC 700 AI series, which is an Edge AI computing system developed with NVIDIA. The MIC 700 AI series, in essence, is an industrial box PC featuring NVIDIA Jetson platforms. Every option from Jetson Nano to TX2, Xavier NX, and AGX Xavier. Key features such as wide temperature support, wide power voltage support, fanless, and low power consumption make this an easy option for harsh environments. It also supports rich I/O expansion modules and add-on card expansion, which is specifically designed for Edge AI applications. The MIC 700 AI targets autonomous robots in fulfillment centers so they can perceive the environment, detect objects, and pick up materials on the production line. It can also be used for automated optical inspection, AOI, to improve the yield rates and workstation processes. Integrating MIC 700 AI with your existing equipment is an easy and intelligent way to upgrade your system. Over here we have the MIC 700 IVA series, which is best suited for AI video analysis. Because it has up to 8 PoE ports, it can be used for real-time applications like traffic monitoring for self-adapting traffic signals and video surveillance analysis in airports or large retail stores. Advantech has a comprehensive product portfolio with long life support, strict revision control, and low MOQ customization options for all applications. Our Edge AI computing solution may just be the beginning for your needs. If you need other industrial IoT solutions, complementary pieces like deep learning GPU servers, or even software and cloud services, look no further, and please reach out to us.